And now we'd like to welcome Tim Crawley from the Rochester Science and Museum Center. What do you have for us tonight?
Good to see you again, guys. Good
Hi,
to
Tim.
See you.
Got a big jug there.
It is, but it's not what I got. It's what is in the bottle.
Okay.
And that's what we're going to play. What's in the bottle?
What's in the bottle? All right.
So what's in the bottle?
Looks like water to me.
Looks like water. Well, it's not exactly water. A lot of times when we do this, we've got hints that are sitting around, or maybe red herrings, depending on how you look at it. Could be that. Could be.
I don't know. What's that jug there? Vinegar.
Vinegar.
Ah.
Now, one way to test is we could taste it.
No, I don't want to do that.
Not a good idea. But another way to test is by the smell.
Yeah.
But you don't want to just go ahead and lean right in and snorkel it all up. No, you just, what you want to do is learn, we teach how to do wafting. Take it, and you go, so give it a waft and see if you, that gives you a little bit of scent. You smell anything?
I don't know what it is.
All right, well now try this.
That smells like vinegar.
It smells like vinegar. So is it vinegar?
I don't think it's vinegar.
It's not vinegar. Now we've got the soda over here.
Okay.
Like you, and everybody goes for the soda first, because who wouldn't? Because you'd want to drink the soda, not the vinegar. But you turn around, what's the cool thing about soda?
Carbonated.
Carbonated, exactly. So if we take this and we shake it up a whole lot, what's it going to do?
Fizzle or...
It's going to fizz. It's going to, so let's do that as our test.
All right.
Put this on here?
Sure, better safe than sorry.
Yeah.
And I'll shake it over here a little bit. We'll move this over to the side.
All right.
A little fizz there.
Little fizz. We'll give it another couple of shakes.
Hey, that's not Sprite.
Now, what's it doing?
It's changing colors.
Yeah.
Change color, change to blue. Now, we'll take a look, and you think about it, what could I have done to make it turn blue?
I don't know, magic? I don't know.
I could have been sneaky. I could have put a little bit of blue food coloring or dye up on the, into
and it got on the top when you
got
shake
on
it.
the top and you shake it, because I could be sneaky like that and do that, but actually it's not.
Okay.
This is going to talk about indicators.
Okay.
And what's an indicator? It's if you're sitting at home right now or here, indicate to me where the door is without saying anything.
Like a point.
You can point. And that's what indicators do.
Okay.
They point at something.
Right.
So this actually has an indicator inside of it.
Okay.
And it's going to point to something. If we wait just a little bit, it's going to start to show us exactly what's going on.
All right.
And that is because inside here isn't just water.
Okay.
It's water with sodium hydroxide, which is a base.
Okay.
And it's got a little bit of dextrose.
Is that lightening up? Looks like it.
Yeah.
It's starting to lighten up, and what it should do is, maybe I shook it a little bit much, but as you wait for a couple of seconds, it'll start to turn lighter and lighter.
Okay, cool.
And it'll go back to clear in just another minute or so.
Okay.
So there's an indicator in there that's indicating something, but what is in the bottle? We've got liquid and
Air.
air. Exactly. So you see it's almost gone back to clear.
Yep.
So now what did we have to do to get it to turn blue?
Shake it.
Shake it.
So when we shook the bottle, what did we mix?
Oxygen and air. The air with the liquid.
With the liquid. And that's exactly what does it. I bet you Mr. Z would be able to tell us exactly why.
Well, actually, you have dextrose in there, right?
Exactly.
Which is like glucose. It's a reducing sugar. And the indicator, methylene blue.
Methylene blue, exactly.
Cool. And so that speeds up the reaction. Actually, the glucose or the dextrose here
you guys are smart
is a
guys.
reducing sugar. But that's what's happening. And then when you mix the oxygen, it oxidizes it. It acts as the oxidizing agent and takes it back to its colored form.
Okay, cool.
There you go.
Goes back to the blue.
And if we leave it long enough, that sugar will reduce it back to the colorless form, and very cool.
All right.
Exactly, and that's the blue bottle experiment.
Blue bottle
You can
experiment.
always test it by putting it into a smaller vessel, fill it all the way up so there's no air in it at all, and shake it. But if we leave it sealed up, Mr. Z, what do you think will happen to it?
Eventually, either the oxygen or the sugar probably first will be used up. I don't know how much you've got in there, but yeah, it just isn't going to work anymore. It's sweaty.
It's all done.
So you made these up fresh for us, I know.
That's our we did. So it's blue bottle, and it's our indicator.
Cool.
And there we are.
Well, very good, Tim. Thank you.
I'd like to thank you
All
for...
right. So we'd like to thank Tim for being here tonight. Now, to learn more about the Rochester Museum and Science Center, head to our website, homeworkhotline.org. But stay right there, and we'll be right back in just a second.